most people don't see how powerful they really are. Most people don't see the true power that they have within themselves to manifest anything that they want into existence. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to use your true power to manifest anything that you want into existence using the law of attraction. Because once again, people don't see it. They don't see how powerful they really are. They don't see how much power they have within themselves to truly manifest anything that they want into existence. Now, if you're new to this channel, what I want you to do is to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, because I do post a new video every single day. Also, if you want to work with me one-on-one to reprogram your subconscious mind for success, find clarity in your life purpose and what it is that you're really meant to be doing on this planet at this time so you can live the life that you really want, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation to see if you're a good fit for the coaching program. You got to realize you are much more powerful than you think. You have much more power within yourself to manifest anything that you want than you might actually think. We don't realize how much power that we have, and we also don't truly understand what real power is, because the ego has a false sense of power. It doesn't understand what true power is. You see, the ego thinks that true power is manipulation and controlling the external world and reality. Now, before I share with you how to truly use your power, how to use your true power to manifest anything that you want, I'm going to be sharing with you how not to do that and the opposite of that, which is ego, manipulation, and controlling the external world. Trying to control the entire universe, right? You're a part of the universe. And wouldn't you see how it's very difficult to try to control the entire universe? There's certain things you can control, there's certain things you cannot control. Now, the ego doesn't like to hear that, but that's the truth. The truth is that it's hard to control everything, and you can't. And as long as you believe that you can control everything, you're gonna have a very difficult time manifesting what you want using the law of attraction, because part of the law of attraction is about surrender and trust in the divine, in the universe, and your manifestation, and knowing that it's coming. Not controlling everything with your ego, not controlling everything with your logic, with your masculinity, with manipulation. Manipulation doesn't work. It can work, but only to a certain extent. Now, your power is not manipulation and controlling the external world, right? Being selfish so that you can manifest what you want. That's not how this works. If you try to manipulate and control, you're gonna have lots of resistance doing that. You may or may not get what you want, and if you do, you're gonna feel very bad while you try to get there. You're not gonna feel good in the process. It won't be selfless, it won't be coming from love, it won't be coming from truth. It'll be coming from ego, manipulation, falsehood, unconsciousness, resistance to the present moment, right? These things block you from manifesting. These are the things that block you from manifesting your dreams. These things that I just shared with you will block your dream life. That's a fact. It's the fact that these things will block your dream life. Ego, manipulation, controlling the external world, trying to control the entire universe. Think about that. You're trying to control the entire universe. You really think you can do that? Now, you might be thinking, Francis, come on, you can do that. You're the creator of your reality. Yes, you're the creator of your reality, but part of that is surrendering to the entirety of the universe. You can control certain things. You can manifest your dream life into existence, but it's not going to be by manipulating and controlling this reality and going against the river. Go with the river and you'll become the creator of your reality. Go against it and the universe will show you that you're creating resistance that's not needed. Now, hustling and also trusting is not power either. So let me be more clear on that. Pushing and being masculine is not your power. Also, being feminine is not your power. You're thinking, well, Francis, what's my power then? If you're saying hustling is not my power, you're saying that working hard is not my power, trusting is not my power, what's my power then? What is this power you're talking about? What's this power? What's this power? Francis, what's the power? Well, the power transcends both of those things. It's something deep within you that transcends both hustling and trusting. because both of these things are forms in reality. They are forms. We are humans. We have thoughts. We have emotions. We have feelings. We have masculine energy. We have feminine energy, whether you're man or woman. Some people hustle, some people trust. Some people hustle more, some people trust more. Whether you're man or a woman, you have both. But both of these energies are not your power. Your power is being present to the moment. Power that transcends and comes before both masculine and feminine, and also manipulation. You see, the universe has a natural flow of energy and wants to go in a certain direction. The universe wants to expand. The universe wants to grow. Science has proven that the universe is expanding at an accelerated rate. But here's the thing, you are not separate from the universe. You are the universe. And that means you want to expand. But that's not you as the limited small ego. That's you as the entire universe being a small piece of the ego in this moment. And that means that your power is not by controlling the external world or by controlling your thoughts or controlling your emotions. It is, but it's also about the thing that comes before both masculine and feminine, which is being. Okay? This is what you call the formless part of who you are, as they call it in some cultures. It's not a thing, it's no thing. It's actually nothing. Nothing is your power. You're thinking, what? Let me be a little bit more specific. Your power is infinite intelligence. Being is infinite intelligence. Being is something that transcends your ego, something that you're so connected to that you may not notice right now, you might not be aware of, but being is your true power in the sense that when you're connected to being present to the moment, your power comes from that. That's what helps you manifest. Your manifestations will come when you stop trying to control things by pushing and also trusting, but knowing when to use both of those by being. Sometimes you have to push, sometimes you have to trust. And I used to think that my power was either pushing or trusting. Okay, I need to push now, be more masculine. Okay, I need to trust now. I thought that my power was going to be in one of those things. No, my power is in both of those things simultaneously, knowing when to be more masculine and knowing when to be more feminine. And when you truly realize this, nothing can faze you. Nothing can infect your ego. It can affect you. You might still feel emotions. You might still feel things. You will feel things, but you're going to be the awareness of those things. Awareness of form is your power. You're thinking, Francis, this is going way too deep. What does this have to do with law of attraction? This has everything to do with law of attraction. Because when you try to control things with the limited human sense of self and ego, you're literally blocking yourself from the infinite intelligence of the universe that you could be connected to. When you have a clear mind, when you're totally connected to the moment, but also you realize that your ego doesn't have to figure it all out. You also realize that your ego is a block to your manifestation. Because here's the thing, ego and manipulation and a lack of connection to being blocks manifestation. It blocks manifestation. When you're connected to being, when you're connected to the present moment, this accelerates your manifestation because now you are connected to the entire universe supporting you on your manifestation journey. You got to realize that being in perfect balance with the unfolding of life is what your power is. Your power is to go with the current of the river. Your power is being, infinite intelligence, consciousness, awareness of the ego, awareness of thought, the sense of I before the I am. In some cultures, they call it the I before the I am. How do you know you exist right now? You have a sense of I am here right now. Before the thoughts, before the emotions, it's being, it's just pure beingness, it's pure emptiness, it's nothingness, it's no thing, it's formlessness, it's infinite intelligence, it's who you really are. That's who you are, that's your power. Your power is being. Your power is not doing. Your power is not thoughts. Your power is not emotions. Your power is not forcing manifestation. Your power is not affirmations. Your power is not masculine. Your power is not feminine. Your power is not in your family. Your power is not in your body. Your power is not in your emotions. Your power is being. And when I realized this, it became a lot easier to flow with the river and manifest my desires into existence. Know when it's time to use your masculine energy. Know when it's time to be feminine. But understand that those are not your power. If you give your power to form, you are going to have a miserable time living life, not seeing who you really are, and also you're going to slow down your manifestations. When you realize your power transcends all form, that's when you're going to be free to live the life that you want, to be aligned with who you are, and the universe at large. You're playing a small piece of the universe, you are the universe, but now the connection that you have to the entire universe, you will have that to help you manifest. That that connection that you have to the universe is something that we're all blocked from because we have a disconnection from the moment. We have a disconnection from who we really are, a disconnection from being. A disconnection from being connected to the moment. Awareness, consciousness, formlessness. These are the things that help you to manifest. This is going very deep, this is going esoteric. Don't believe me here. Investigate this for yourself. You see, what I'm sharing with you, the mind won't agree with. Your heart knows what I'm saying is true. Is true, okay? Not that I'm right and you're wrong, it's just true. It's just true. It's truth, okay? It's love. Your heart knows this. This is what will help you manifest and also give you true peace in the present moment, which will allow you to manifest anything that you want from a space of non-neediness, a space of non-resistance, a space of not doing anything but being and grounding yourself in the being of who you are while you're doing. That is your true power. That is how you use your true power, not false ego power, to manifest anything that you want into existence using the law of attraction. That's all I have for this video. Once again, if you want to work with me one-on-one to let go of your ego, reprogram your subconscious mind for success, find clarity in your life purpose and what you're really meant to be doing on this planet at this time so you can live the life that you really want to live, hit the link that's in the description box of this video to apply for a free consultation to see if we're a good fit for each other and if you're a good fit for the coaching program. Have yourself a great day as always, and I'll see you in the next video.